In this video, we are going to show you how you can add an already existed installed Wattpilot into your Solar.wattpilot app. This is useful for monitoring, visualization, and of course, control for other people and other smartphones. How you can do this, we will show you directly in the Solar.wattpilot app. To add a new Wattpilot into your existing Solar.wattpilot app, first things first, you need to click the name and the serial number on the top page of the corner. There you will find all your devices that are already connected, and you can hit the plus button, add new device. There you can either set up a new Wattpilot or you can add an existing Wattpilot to your app, which we are now doing, so hit the add button. After that you can put in the serial number. This one you will find on the RFID reset card, that is scope of delivery of the device, or you can find it also on the side of the Wattpilot, there the serial number is written down. After that, please put in the Wattpilot device password. This password is being given away until the initial commissioning of the device. After that, you're hitting the add button and then you are connected to your existing Wattpilot and you have access for monitoring, visualization and control of the device.